Hey there, folks. Today we are diving into the world of wrestling. As most of you all know about the wrestling giant WWE, now we will be uncovering 25 incredible wrestling companies you probably never heard of before. But that's not all. We are also unleashing the reigning world heavyweight champions in each of these companies. So buckle up and get ready for some thrilling insights. Number 1, AEW World Championship. Let's kick things off with the prestigious AEW World Championship, the crown jewel of All Elite Wrestling, AEW, currently held by none other than AEW wrestler Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe snatched the AEW World Championship title from MJF at the epic AEW pay-per-view event World's End on 30 December 2023. Since then, Samoa Joe has held on to the title for a solid 102 plus days. Number 2, IWGP World Heavyweight Championship. Moving on to the renowned IWGP World Heavyweight Championship of the New Japan Pro Wrestling (NJPW), which is currently gracing the shoulders of the popular wrestling superstar Jon Moxley. Jon Moxley claimed the IWGP World Heavyweight Championship title in a jaw-dropping match against Tetsuya Naito at the NJPW pay-per-view event Windy City Riot on 12 April 2024 with title reign of 10 plus days. Number 3, TNA World Championship. Now let's talk about the prestigious TNA World Championship from Total Non-Stop Action Wrestling Company TNA, currently held by the TNA wrestler Moose. Moose conquered the TNA World Championship title in a thrilling showdown against Alex Shelley at the TNA pay-per-view event Hard to Kill on 13 January 2024 with an impressive reign of 85 plus days. Moose is showing no signs of slowing down. Number 4, ROH World Championship. Stepping into the Ring of Honor Wrestling (ROH), we have the esteemed ROH World Championship, currently enduring the waste of the fierce ROH wrestler Mark Briscoe. Briscoe seized the ROH World Championship title in a heart-pounding battle against Eddie Kingston at the ROH pay-per-view event Supercard of Honor on 5th April 2024, holding on to the title ring for 15 plus days. Number 5, AAA Mega Championship. AAA Mega Championship from Lucha Libre AAA Worldwide Wrestling Company is currently held by the high-flying wrestler El Hijo del Vikingo. El Hijo del Vikingo claimed the AAA Mega Championship title in a thrilling fatal 5-way match at the AAA pay-per-view event Triple Mania Riga 2 on 4 December 2021 with an astonishing title reign of 833 plus days. Number 6, GHC Junior Heavyweight Championship. Now let's turn our attention to the electrifying GHC Junior Heavyweight Championship from Pro Wrestling NOAH, currently held by NOAH wrestler Taga. He claimed the GHC Junior Heavyweight Championship title in a thrilling match against Hayata at NOAH pay-per-view event Demolition Stage in Niigata on 4 November 2023 with an impressive reign of 165 plus days. Number 7, CZW World Heavyweight Championship. Heading into the World of Combat Zone (CZW), we have the intense CZW World Heavyweight Championship currently held by the explosive wrestler Rich Swann. Rich Swann snatched the CZW World Heavyweight Championship title from Joe Gacy at CZW pay-per-view event CZW Best of the Best on 20 May 2023 with a title reign of 328 plus days. Number 8, ICW World Heavyweight Championship. Now let's step into the chaotic world of ICW, Insane Championship Wrestling, and talk about the ICW World Heavyweight Championship. Held by ICW wrestler Jake Jester, he emerged victorious in a fairness battle against Oran Iko at ICW pay-per-view event Fear and Loathing 15 on 10 December 2023 with title reign of 126 plus days as a champion. Number 9, World of Stardom Championship. Venturing into the realm of World of Wonder Ring Stardom, we have the prestigious World of Stardom Championship currently in the possession of formidable female wrestler Maika. Maika captured the World of Stardom Championship title from Tam Nakano at the Stardom pay-per-view event Dream Quintum 3 on 29 December 2023 with a title reign of 110 plus days. Maika is proving herself as the queen of stardom. Number 10. NWA World Heavyweight Championship. Now let's dive into the historic world of National Wrestling Alliance (NWA) and talk about the legendary NWA World Heavyweight Championship title currently held by the energetic wrestler EC3. EC3 seized the NWA World Heavyweight Championship title from Tyrus at NWA 75 Anniversary Show on 27 August 2023 with a title reign of 235 plus days. Number 11. International Princess Championship. Turning our attention to TJPW, Tokyo Joshi Pro Wrestling, we have the prestigious International Princess Championship held by the rising star Yuki Arai. Yuki Arai triumphed over Max the Emperor at TJPW pay-per-view event TJPW Tokyo Joshi Pro 24 on 4 January 2024 with a reign of 105 plus days. Number 12. AJPW World Junior Heavyweight Championship. In the world of All Japan Pro Wrestling AJPW, we have the thrilling AJPW World Junior Heavyweight Championship title currently held by the AJPW wrestler Hayato. Hayato emerged victorious over Dane Tamura at AJPW pay-per-view event Dream Power Series 2024 on 9 March 2024 with title reign of 40 plus days as a champion. Number 13. MLW World Heavyweight Championship. Entering the realm of Major League Wrestling MLW, we have the prestigious MLW World Heavyweight Championship currently held by the MLW wrestler Satoshi Kojima. Kojima defeated Alex Kane at MLW pay-per-view event Super Fight on 3rd February 2024 with a reign of 68 plus days. Number 14. FIP World Heavyweight Championship. Full Impact Pro FIP Wrestling with the FIP World Heavyweight Championship title currently held by the FIP wrestler Brain Brock. Brain Brock emerged victorious over Lucky Ali at FIP pay-per-view event WWN Super Show Mercury Rising on 27 August 2023 with a title reign of 226 plus days. Number 15. PWG World Championship. PWG World Championship title of Pro Wrestling Guerrilla PWG currently held by the talented wrestler Daniel Garcia. Daniel Garcia defeated Bandido at PWG pay-per-view event Delivering the Goods on 1st May 2022 with an astonishing title reign of 710 plus days. Number 16. DDT Extreme Championship. DDT Pro Wrestling and their DDT Extreme Championship currently held by the DDT wrestler Shunma Kid Samata. He clinched the DDT Extreme Championship title in a thrilling showdown against Kazuki Hirata at DDT pay-per-view event Sweet Dreams 2024 on 28 January 2024 with title reign of 80 plus days. As champion, Shunma Kid Sumata is pushing the limits of extreme wrestling. Number 17. Osaka Pro Championship. Now let's hit the vibrant world of Osaka Pro Wrestling and talk about their coveted Osaka Pro Championship currently in the hands of the formidable wrestler Quiet Storm. Quiet Storm triumphed over Zeus at Osaka Pro Summer Festival 2023 on 20 August 2023 to claim the Osaka Pro Championship title with an impressive reign of 241 plus days. Number 18. Open the Brave Gate Championship. Next up is DG, Dragon Gate Japan Pro Wrestling. We have the thrilling Open the Brave Gate Championship currently held by the dynamic wrestler Hyo. Hyo emerged victorious over Ishin at DJ pay-per-view event Fantastic Gate 2023 on 5th December 2023 to claim the Open the Brave Gate Championship title with 134 plus days as a title reign. Number 19. OVW Heavyweight Championship. Ohio Valley Wrestling Company OVW with the prestigious OVW Heavyweight Championship title held by the OVW wrestler Tony Khan. Tony defeated Jake Vaughn at OVW pay-per-view March Mayhem event on 16 March 2024 to claim the OVW Heavyweight Championship title with 30 plus days reign. Number 20, 01 World Heavyweight Championship. In the world of pro wrestling, 01 we have the prestigious 01 World Heavyweight Championship currently held by the 01 wrestler Akitoshi Saito. Saito emerged victorious over Chris Wise at 01 Noto Peninsula Earthquake Charity Pro Wrestling event on 31st March 2024 to claim the 01 World Heavyweight Championship title with 17 plus days reigning as a champion. Number 21, XPW World Heavyweight Championship. Now let's dive into Extreme Pro Wrestling XPW with the XPW World Heavyweight Championship currently held by the intense Eric Ryan. Eric Ryan defeated Shell at XPW Baptized in Blood event on 13 April 2024 to claim the XPW World Heavyweight Championship with title reign of 15 plus days. Number 22, GWF World Championship. German Wrestling Federation GWF. We have the prestigious GWF World Heavyweight Championship title currently held by the GWF wrestler Mike DiVicchio. Mike DiVicchio defeated Maiden at GWF Berlin Star event on 12 November 2023 to claim the GWF World Heavyweight Championship title with reign of 157 plus days. Number 24, GCW World Championship. Game Changer Wrestling GCW with the GCW World Championship held by the wrestler Blake Christian. Christian defeated Masha Slamovich at GCW Cage of Survival 2 event on 4 June 2023 to claim the GCW World Championship title. Blake Christian hold the title over 311 plus days. Number 23, WOW Championship. Turning our attention to the women division, we have the WOW Championship from Women of Wrestling WOW, currently held by the WOW Female Wrestling. Evelyn Marwick defeated Princess Aussie at WOW event Season 9 Episode 13 on 19 August 2023 to claim the WOW Championship title with a reign of 242 plus days. Number 25, Undisputed WWE Championship. Finally, we come to the grandest stage of them all, WWE World Wrestling Entertainment, and their undisputed WWE Championship currently held by the phenomenal WWE wrestler Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes defeated Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 40 Night 2 on 7 April 2024 to claim the undisputed WWE Championship title with 25 plus days as champion. Cody Rhodes is leading to charge the world of sports entertainment. And there you have it, folks, the champions of 25 wrestling companies, each burning their own unique style and flair to the ring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more informative video, hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel Wrestle Series Comparison and tell us your favorite topic name. I will make a video for your suggestion for your favorite topic. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.